Reducing chemical residues in your diet, essential tips for cleaner eating. Welcome to the new episode of DRS Research. Today we are in another part of pesticides and foods with GMO food understanding. In our quest for bountiful harvests, we rely on some chemicals used to keep our crops safe from various pests, insects, weeds and other unwanted plants in agriculture. These chemicals are named as pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, and weedicides. But what happens when these chemicals linger on? They can enter the food chain through various ways, such as residues on crops, contamination of water sources, or accumulation in animal tissues. Exposure to these chemicals can have harmful effects on human health and the environment. Together, let's make informed choices for a healthier tomorrow. Some of the health risks associated with these chemicals include cancer, neurological disorders, reproductive problems, birth defects, hormonal disruption, and immune system dysfunction. Some of the environmental impacts include biodiversity loss, soil degradation, water pollution, and pest resistance. Some of the other health risks associated with these chemicals are estrogenic and neurogenic factors of various pesticides, which we had discussed in last episodes, that include autism, ADHD, cancer, neurological disorders, reproductive problems, birth defects, hormonal disruption, and immune system dysfunction. Well, this seems to be a big illnesses. The real problem is the GMO. It means genetically modified origin foods. 80% of GMO crops grown around the world have been engineered for herbicide tolerance, resulting in a significant increase in the use of toxic herbicides, increasing its negative impact on the environment and human health. Several countries around the world have banned the use of GMOs. How many countries ban GMOs? 64 countries require manufacturers to label foods with GMOs. But 26 countries have banned them altogether. India, our country, is not in the list. Imagine if someone wants to hurt you or kill you, what they do. If we think some indirect options, they will feed you some crap, means feed you a zero nutrition food to make you weak, but also, at the same time, feed you some toxins or slow poison, so that someday your body and mind got collapsed. Beware of this new type of chemical killings with feeding. Go for organic food with washing and peeling fruits or vegetables before eating. Today, we are exploring simple steps to minimize our exposure to these residues and ensure our food is safe to eat. First, make washing under running water a non-negotiable ritual before consuming any produce. Consider peeling or trimming the outer layers to further reduce the risk, as these areas are more likely to harbor unwanted chemicals. Avoiding or minimizing the use of pesticides at home or in the garden. To reduce the exposure to pesticides, some possible measures are choosing organic or low pesticide foods if and when possible. Avoid GMO-labeled foods. Most importantly, grow your own food at your own place. Stay healthy, eat organic. Thank you very much.